Hey guys, look what just arrived in the post. I have no patience. I can't find any scissors. Okay, that was really tough. One-handed. So let's move all of this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, wow. Hey guys, welcome back to Makeup Skin. So today I have the entire Friends, let me just get the collection for you 1 second. So guys, as I was saying, I picked up the entire collection from Beauty Bay, next day delivery, thank you so much. Shall we get into it? So I'm going to start off with the pouches. So I got the Friends lobster pouch, where Phoebe says they're lobsters and she's her lobster and all that. I got the black Friends case, I couldn't resist. I mean guys, this isn't the normal type of makeup, but Friends was such a big part of my life, I just fancied the nostalgia. So this is the packaging that the Limitless palette comes in. So this eyeshadow palette has, wow, it has 24 eyeshadows, and then it has 3 highlighters or blush situations. So it's really cool. Trying to get that to focus. So just so that you know, this is very heavy. It's very sturdy. Wow guys, look at those colours. So I think there are 3 highlighters down the middle and then the rest are eyeshadows. I've purposefully done my makeup really light today so that I can do a palette look for you. Then I got 2 mirrors, one for the giveaway and one for me. The mirror itself is quite plasticky. However, I loved this growing up, so anything with the door frame on it, which was actually a prop put there by accident, I think I want. So in addition to everything else, they did a palette each for Phoebe, Monica and Rachel and a lipstick each. Then in addition to that, lip glosses, and they've all got everybody's name on them, and it's got like lobsters, a turkey, the mirrors, sub for Joey, the monkey for Ross, and then the coffee and Central Perk for Rachel. So let's take a look at the eyeshadow palettes. Monica's has the apartment door on there. I quite like the Monica palette because they're colours I would wear. I was reading about the collection on the Revolution website, and I think they were saying that they were just trying to depict 90s glam, and some shades were pastel and were pinky. So that's the Phoebe palette with the awesome taxi. Now Phoebe's colours are the ones I'm not likely to wear, so I'm going to lightly swatch these and then perhaps re-gift. Now the lipsticks. Shall we go ahead and try the lipsticks on and start swatching things? So here are Monica, Phoebe and Rachel lipsticks. I'm going to swatch them for you and try them on. So let's try Rachel, which looks like a 90s, it looks like a 90s nude, and then there's a lip embossed on there. Yes, I think that's definitely very Rachel. Now this is a colour I would buy when I was younger, just so that I could have the 90s look. It's like a grungy grey purple on me. It's interesting because I could do the same shade on the lids and then look all monochromatic, but it's not bad. Feels nice on the lips, doesn't have a scent. So that's Rachel. So now let's do Monica. That looks slightly more wearable. See, personally, I thought Monica would wear like a deeper shade. This one has a slight scent to it. Yeah, I quite like that. Phoebe. See, I thought Monica would wear this colour. I thought Monica would wear this colour. So it's a really cherry colour. Yeah, it's cherry. They're not completely matte and they're not drying, but they're not satin either. So that's the 3 colours, guys. Let's go ahead and look at the eyeshadows. Let's have a look at the glosses, because I'm not going to put all of these on. I'm going to swatch them all for you because I've just done my Fenty video and 6 glosses will probably finish my lips off. I'm going to try on the Chandler one first because I think that it's really cute that they've made them after the boys as well. The Chandler one's got the turkey on it. Oh wow, so this is an opaque pastel pink. I have to say, guys, whilst I wouldn't buy these glosses normally, but the quality, despite this colour being really wrong for me, the quality is great. It's not high end, but it wasn't professing to be. I mean, makeup should be fun. This is great. They should have done something Janice. They should have done something Janice-y. So I'm gonna do the next ones. I'm gonna take this off my lips because, I mean, the colour's not bad. I've worn pinks like this before, but doesn't feel too tacky on the lips. It's not bad. Joey has the Subway sandwiches on there. So again, pastel-y 90s mauve pinks. I keep saying I'm not going to put them on, but I'm really tempted. Yeah, that's completely wrong for me. I hope this helps you guys not to get Joey for tan skin. I'll be right back. I mean, thankfully the Rachel one is completely clear, so that's just going to be glossy. I'm going to leave that one at that because my lips are burning. Let's try on Ross's. Ross's has the little monkeys on it. Marcel. In the comments, put your favourite quote from Friends, please. So this is a hot pink if there ever was one. Not bad. Let me swatch that for you. Apartment mirrors on it. Oh wow. Okay guys, things are getting a bit real. The Monica one is not bad, but it's like it's just what you reminisce of old frosty colours that we used to be able to buy in the pharmacies when we were at school. Maybe with the lobsters. So it's a maroon, purpley maroon. What I found really interesting is they did have a name for Janice, but there was also a name for like Paolo and Carol and Mr. Heckles and everyone. So they did, but I think there should have been something dedicated to Janice. So let's do a look, I think. So I'm going to take some Paolo and Carol and mix them together and put them in the crease. So what I'll do is I'll do one look on one eye and then I'll use one of the palettes to do a look with those. And then let's do I think Mindy might be a nice colour. Yeah. It's like a iridescent shimmer. But I think before that we need something else. Let's put a bit of Janice on. Yeah. and then we'll put some Mindy on top. Then I'll take the orangey colour, which is Phoebe, and put it on underneath. I think this Limitless palette, guys, is just really fun. To be honest, I don't actually have much fallout. There are so many colour combinations that you can do. I might put some Phoebe in the outer corner. Dinosaur. And put it all over my lid and take it to the brow bone. Then I'm going to take Pushover and put it all over the lid. Honestly, the pigmentation on these isn't bad at all. Even if you're a pro, I mean, I don't know whether you'd want it in your kit, perhaps maybe for nostalgia, but this would be great gifting for people who are starting out with makeup. Blend that. Designing pink eyeshadows is quite hard. And now I'm going to take some Crush and put that in the outer corner. So this palette I'm less impressed with. There's a lot of fallout and the blending isn't as great, but that's still 2 looks. I'm just going to clean this up. I'm going to take Chip and put that on the middle. I'm not too sure, guys. It's not really going anywhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to revert to swatches. Thank you all so much for watching, and now the next section you will see is all swatches of all 4 palettes. See you in the next one.